Hello, I am welcoming you all to my YouTube channel named Computer The Way of Life. Myself, Dr. Ajay Kumar Misra, a senior faculty in the Department of Computer Science and Application of a prestigious Prananath Autonomous College placed at Khorda. The objective of this session is, during my journey, I have come in contact with thousands of people from different segments of society, especially the student mass. During my interaction with them, I feel that there is a misconception regarding the term computer and the manner that is being used by them. In this presentation, I have tried to provide some tips by which a user can categorize himself and can assess how he is using computer for his day-to-day activities. By analyzing the facts and the manner it is being used, I have categorized this topic under three broad headings. Number 1, computer application. Number 2, information technology. And number 3, computer science. Likewise, the total users are also categorized as number 1, laymen or beginners, number 2, mediocre, and number 3, the professionals. Now, to know more about the topic, you must have to understand the working ethics of computer. That is the rule of 4W and 1H. Here first W indicates what, that is the objective or purpose of the problem. Second W indicates when, that is the time of use. Third W indicates by whom or the end user. Fourth W indicates where, that is the field of application. And finally, when we are talking about the term H, that stands for how, which means the way of use. Now, to have more elaborative idea regarding the 4W and 1H, we can say the first W stands for what, which refers the identification and justification of using the computer. The second W refers when, that is to make a decision regarding the proper situation and time to use the computer. Third W refers whom, which indicates the type of user. Fourth W stands for where, that is the field of application and its utility to the end user. And finally, H stands for how, which refers the mode of application designed by taking the type of user and the way of interaction. This is a slide titled Users Using Computer. Under this slide, I have categorized three headings, that is laymen or beginners, mediocre, and professionals. Laymen and beginners are the type of peoples, those who are completely ignorant about the back-end happenings and only concerned about the relevant application. They are only concerned with the operation side, that is how. Whereas the second category of people, termed as mediocre, these types of peoples are aware about the requirements but cannot perform independently. They have to depend on the developers and vendors. These peoples are concerned with what, where, and how, without knowing the minute details. And at last, we are talking about the type of user as professional. They are the real users who pose good knowledge about the problem and can utilize computer with its different properties. they can develop, execute, and if required, can debug the programs. They are implementing all the 4W and 1H principle. Now to have a brief idea regarding the type of users, we have to go through these 3 simultaneous slides. Under this heading, I am trying to cover up the subjects titled as computer application, computer science, and information technology. According to me, computer application is a subject which deals with the layman or the beginners, or sometimes by the mediocre. More than 50% of the total users are coming under this category. In this, computer is used as a tool to ease the task and to learn the things in a simulated way. To do this, we are using some keystrokes or commands and also using some macros that are predefined to interact. Here users are least bothered about the background details. For examples, playing games, plotting graphs, using audio and video, text editors, using MATLAB by the mathematicians and Scilab by the physicians as a tool for their analysis, and other sections of the society for their day-to-day activities. It satisfies only 2 points of computers' working ethics, that is, how and where. Next to this, we will discuss about the term that is information technology. Information technology itself is not a subject. It combines mathematics, statistics, and computer science to gain access the information available anywhere in the world. It can be defined as information through technology, where technology refers the use of networking, internet, multimedia, virtual reality, and other means of exposure to gain access in real life scenario. Information technology is completely meaningless without computer. It satisfies only 4 aspects of computer's working ethics, that is when, where, whom, and how. And at last, we are talking about the most important branch of computer, that is computer science. It deals with all the 4W and 1H principles, that is what, when, whom, where, and how. It includes mainly statistics, mathematics, and logic as their core subject. It provides a detailed study about the computer's hardware, software, firmware, and liveware. Persons having computer science background provides a platform for information technology and allows the people to use computer for their applications. They are the people responsible for manufacturing the hardware, developing the relevant softwares, providing an interactive environment, maintaining the backend database, and if anything goes wrong, then to debug and to streamline the entire working environment. After having a patience hearing, now it's your duty to judge yourself and to categorize or to rate yourself according to the use of computer which you are using in your day-to-day life. With this, I remain. Thank you.